GodTCP. Grandma gave us 2 thumbs up and Grandpa said finally. GodTCP. Grandma gave us 2 thumbs up and Grandpa said finally. You know what? I'm not a great singer, bros. I'm not a great singer, but I know you are. And I'm giving out free gears. The RØDE NT1 5th generation, the Focusrite 2i2 3rd gen, and the HPS 3000 headphones. If you can sing these 10 words, GodTCP, Grandma gave us 2 thumbs up, Grandpa said finally. If you can sing those 10 words, then I can promise you those gears could be